Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Core for Any. Previous video will see how to create here the login screen. We need to create black mode and light mode. We need to create here the first of all add the here background image, and then we need to create here the list view columns, and column inside we need to add here first image, and then we need to create custom text field, and then after we need to create here the gradient custom gradient button create. Okay, now we need to start here the register screen and forget password screen to two screen at the develop and light mode and dark mode. Let's start the coding. First of all, we need to create here the new files inside the login. To write down here new file is a register view dot start. Save here. We need to copy this login path, all data, and to put here. And we need to first of all change this name here. Register, and we need to remove first of all the here stack, no need here to remove it. And we need to configure first of all this page, and we need to set here to remove here all, no need. Now save this, and now we need to configure inside the register. Go inside the login page, and we need to put here the register button inside the navigator set here. Dot push, and we need to write down here the material routes, and to create here the context, and then we need to give here const register, and give the semicolon. And we need to first of all import this register widget here. Okay, now done, and we need to save, and we need to click here. Okay, now here, and we need to first of all create here the look like this back button. First of all, we need to first of all import here the back button image, and user placeholder image we need to put inside the img folder. Okay, now go inside the register view, and we need to create here first of all the app bar. Write down here the app bar, give here title, no need title, we need to give only leading, and we need to give here the row and create child. We need to create here the image asset, and we need to put here image asset as a back button arrow. copy the relative path and to put here double quote. We need to give here the width and 25 and height 30 height. Okay. Now we need to create here the text to call. Copy this text here and we need to put here text. And now we need to create here the widget in 12 and we need to give here the on click event on tab and to here and we need to write down here the navigator dot pop context. So here we need to first of all set here the background color dot transparent. We need to pass here and we need to evacuation set 0 and we need to set here side is 15 more degree at 10 and we need to give here some space here. Which space we need to give here as a semicolon. And we have to give here the height 10 and we have to give here the main axis size as a main mix and we need to change here to black text title. Now we need to put here the padding metrically horizontally. Give here the well only give here and padding width 60. Now set okay. And we need to check here first of all font as a set bold. We need to get here bold and we need to set size is 14 and we need to write down the capital okay. Now set here and here to value. So now back button are done. You need to first of all here create here the container and create here the placeholder. First of all need import this placeholder relative path and we need to put here the logo and shoulder and save here now. And then we need to create here the increase this size set tins and we need to mode and light mode. Set here the background color as a tea color. Cut color. Now we need to remove this, no need, and we need to remove this dust condition. Save here. Now set here, and we need to remove this height, no need, and we need to remove the alignment. Need alignment 0 0, and we need to set here the and we need to create the column, and we need to give here the cross axis alignment center. And we need to copy this text. We need to put here the here, and we need to write down here the head and char. Set here the text color. And we need to give here the height space. We need to give here 8 and set here must value. And check will font pins, and to set here the medium. Now set this circular, and we need to give here some space between the image and text field. So it's maybe 20 need here. Now set tentative width. Okay, now we need to increase this image size. Okay, now good, display good here, and we need to create here some text field here. We need to copy and paste here. First of all, add here first name. Here set last name, and to email password, and even here the confirm password. This password. Now we need to configure one by one. Need to copy this here times. Need to write down here the title as a first name, and down here the placeholder name as first name, and to change this type, no need, remove this, and here set here the first name, give here last name. Okay, now save this and check here. Okay, now set this, and now we need to remove this forget password button. To remove this, and we need to copy, and we need to put paste here, write down here the confirm password. And we need to change here to register. And we need to change this, check here, white color are not change the background. We need to give the color, and we need to write down here the text color. Save here and get here the back color, and we need to increase this size as a 13. Now display good, and to check here the here display similar. Now to see similar here. Okay, now and color now working. Now we need to add here the one library here. First of all, we need to import here the color picker library. We need to install first of all this dependency inside the subspace. We need to copy and to put here the subspace inside here. Now save, and we need to check here, and we need to put here first of all the some configuration related here. Need to add here the this description, copy this, and we to it paste inside the iOS, and copy list, and we need to open first of all example here, and we need to copy inside, example value. So example iOS to runner, and then we need to check here the info list, and we need to put here the permission. Here we need to copy this permission and we need to put inside here, and we need to go Android, and we need to for the Android set the configuration to Android apps, set the source and go main, and we need to open the manifest file and coding. And we need to go inside the back on the example, and we need to copy and we need to save this. First of all close, and we need to run again because we need to update info file, not working. Go and run again, and this. Now we need to go register, and we need to configure here the as a button. All need to click here the create as a widget, and we need to write down the inval to give here the tab. Okay, now set here. Go here, and you need to configure here the redeem, and copy this. Create here the image picker. First of all, we need to put here the image picker the variable here, and we need to first of all import here the this image picker, and we need to create here the file where no need to save. Now we need to create here the here, pick this image as a gallery, to copy, put here, and as a image, and to set here the inch. Okay, now pick the gallery as a here image, and we to here configure here if here the, and we to first of all set here get and clip rectangle, set here clip or rect, and to give this border here. Color this, and set here to check here the image are not null, and we do now we need to set here the image file and to give file. To open the example and check here. This that is a image. To first of all the here the data IO, and we need to give here the height and width. We need to first of all the copy this height and width here, and to set here the fit value as a box fit. Not going to set cover and save this. Now we need to click here and open the cursor and we need to select the here, select this image and we'll open. To here the set state. State do not set then of clicking here. And we'll to decrease this height first of all into that here the 4. Now go here display, click here, that here. Change this. Okay, now just change this image here. Now we need to create here the forget password screen. First of all the write down here the new image folder. Inside we need to create new file as a forgot password. Now we need to copy this register screen, login screen, not register, and we need to put inside the forget password screen, and we need to rename this screen name, rename as a forgot password. And now save, and we now need to here the stack. Need to remove first of all here the stack value. Move this and to remove here. Okay, now save. Now we need to check here the as, and we need to copy inside the register, and we need to give here the F bar to copy and that as a forget password inside to put here the background into back button we need to create and paste here. That here we need to configure here the forget password. We need to go inside the login view and we need to copy this line and we need to put inside the forget password screen here. Now here the and to put here write down here the forgot password. And we need to import first of all this view here widget we need to import it here and save this. Go to here the forget password screen to click here and now open here the forget password screen. We need to first of all the configure here and remove unused code. We need to remove first of all. Need to X and we remove here social login and register. We don't need this all code and save here. And we need to decrease this height as a high. Now this UI we need to look like we create here and we need to give here the some title. Now we need to with this text fill and we need to paste here with this and to paste here space and we need to write down here the forget password and we need to check here the font size as a 13 past here and use the bold here. And now we need to copy here this text here and we need to remove this password field and to change this button name and mail. And to copy this text here and we need to put here to give it and we to set here 15 that is a formal font. Normal font we to set here and we to give here text color as a sub text color and we to give here the text alignment. First of all set here the center save this here and we to increase this height as a 13. Now set here done and we need to first of all one configuration here set as a no need here the this box declaration. We need to remove this and save. Now check here the light themes automatically set here. Okay, here working good and we to decrease this height as a set here 20. Thank you for watching video. If you new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notification. If you have any question, so write down in the comment sections and I will help you and sort out your issue. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And everyone have a nice day and goodbye.